Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Little Coders. Today we'll be learning Python arithmetic operators. So Python has different types of operators like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators. But for today's class we'll be learning about Python arithmetic operators. So without wasting any time, let's start. Okay, so to start our program, we first need to create a file. So let's create a file and let's give it a name, arithmetic operators .py. So the first thing we'll be learning about operator called addition. Using this operator, we can add two numbers in Python. So let's see how we can do that. So say x equal to say 50 and then y equal to say 30, and now using that arithmetic operators we can do z equal to x plus y, and we can print it here, print z. Sorry, it should be a small z. Okay, now here we have used that operator called addition and we have added two numbers x and y, and guess what it will print, means what is the value of z. Z is the addition of x and y. So let's see, let's try to run that program. And arithmetic operations, see, it has printed 80. Okay, so this is the first one, is addition. Next one is subtraction. So instead of this operator, if we do like minus, this will be a subtraction operator, and we can again try to run it and see 20. So as we learned comments in our previous chapter, what we'll do, we can write like this. This is addition, this one is subtraction, then this one is multiplication, this is multiplication. So let's change the numbers so we can quickly count, and let's do the multiplication here, see what it prints. You see 15. So this is the multiplication operator. Next one we will test is division. So this is division, and 5 divided by 3, you see 1.667, you can say 1.667. So this is the division operator. Division operator. Next one is modulus. This is the modulus operator. So if I use modulus operator here, 5 modulus 3, it will return 2. So this is basically after division, whatever is the remaining part is called modulus. So if we divide 5 with 3, there will be 2 remaining, and that is the modulus operator will return. So 2. So this is modulus operator. So after modulus operation, let's see how exponentiation works. So exponentiation is nothing but this particular thing, means if we add multiplication sign 2 times, it will become exponentiation. So expo exponentiation. Okay, so let's use it here, exponentiation, and this is basically nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, because we are saying x exponentiation y, which is 5 exponentiation 3, that is 5 multiplied 3 times, and let's see the result here. So this is the result. When we multiply 5 3 times, it will become 125. The next one is floor division. So floor division is, the symbol is like this, 2 division. So just like exponentiation is 2 multiplication sign, floor division is 2 division sign, and that called floor division. So if we do floor division here, see the result, it is 1. So floor division is only the whole number when we divide it, and yeah, so let's change this value a little bit and see how it can change. So 16, and if we say 5, guess what will be the floor division is? It will be 3. So this is called floor division. And I think this is it for Python arithmetic operations. If we know all these operations, how many we learned? 3, 6, 7. Yeah, if we know all these 7 arithmetic operations in Python, right, we will be able to write our programs comfortably. So go ahead, do some practice, see, like, how you can change your code and use these different arithmetic operations in your code and see the results. And then we'll be back in our next chapter with different Python operations. So probably we'll be learning assignment operations in our next chapter. Till then, goodbye and stay safe. Thank you.